How to read and send email messages in Apple Mail. Once you have added an email account and set up an outgoing server, you can begin to send and receive messages. Unread messages have this blue dot next to them. Click any message to view it. The contents display in the pane below, and the message has been marked as read. Click Reply to send a response to this message. Or click New Message to begin writing an email. Type the recipient's email address here. Enter a subject for this message. Choose the From address if you have more than one. Type your message. Let's see some text formatting options. Highlight some text. Click Fonts. Select a new font family and size from the choices here. Choose the Underline options. Select a new font color by clicking this box. Now use the wheel to pick a new color. Close the window. Click this icon to attach a file. Browse for the file and click Choose File. When ready, click Send. We can view our sent message in the Out box. That's it! Now you know how to read and create messages in Apple Mail.